I want to talk to you about how you can look at an object and figure out is it old or not. That's a very difficult process. It takes a lot of time, but hopefully these videos will give you some insight to what I've learned over the last almost 35, 40 years of doing it. First thing I want to talk to you about is pump drilling. So when we look at an old Jocla, these kind of necklaces, and I'll talk about those too later, but when we look at these old necklaces that have beads in them, we want to know, is it hand pump drilled or is it done mechanically? So this is how they used to do it in the olden days, right? They would have this, and if you look at the end, we'll show you a close-up, it's graduated. So it's very fine point and then goes up. This leaves a conical shaped entry into the bead. That's very important. That also tells you it's old. So when you have a pump drill like this and you have conical beads, and I'll show you how the conical, it's not the beads themselves, it's actually the drill hole itself. So it starts out wider and then goes in narrower. This is very important to see because this means there was a lot of extra work, time, and it's earlier. Generally, if I see that, I'm thinking 20s or even before. So it's important when you're looking at these pieces and somebody tells you they're old, especially if they say they're really old, then it should be pump drilled. So pump drill beads, very important to know for age.